I'm Karen Feinerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. And today we'll be looking at number 99 of my list of 100 top traders. Today we'll be looking at Farallon Capital Management. Now, using this strategy, it has put me in top 3% in the most recent CNBC stock tournament with returns of over 53%. You can also see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. Now, what we merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find their place to these free websites and get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations as of July 7, 2009. Now, you can see all of Farallon Capital Management's holdings at this time, and he has AMX, NRG, and HLT all coming in as moderate buys at this time. And of course, you can see all of his holdings that come in as a hold rating, and all of his holdings that come in as a sell rating at this time. So with that, let's go to the charts. Now, first we have AMX, American Mobile. Now, this one has been in a relative uptrend with the general market, and is now currently rolling over since breaking its 300-day moving average, and stochastics is indicating a bit of a sell signal. So if you're only looking at stochastics, there's quite a ways down on this one. But with all the resistance levels here of its moving averages, it will probably move lower, but there's a lot of good support right here at this time for this stock. As for NRG Energy, it had quite a hit down recently, but is currently sitting around its 100-day moving average. Stochastics is slanted down with more potential to go down, but the 100-day looks like some support here, and if that doesn't hold, they'll probably look to hold somewhere around this $19 level on this one. So this one looks like it has some potential downside to it, with a little bit of support at the 100-day. And for HLT, I was unable to find any charts for this stock at this time. So, in review, the moderate buys are AMX, NRG, and HLT. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of July 7, 2009. And what we merely did was review the holdings of the James Small Cap Fund, and you can find that on Stock Picker. And we got an average analyst ranking through these free sites. So if you'd like to get a more up-to-date rating, you can just put the appropriate things into appropriate websites and find out more up-to-date information for yourself. So again, on to my disclosure disclaimer time. Disclaimer! I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own none of the stocks talked about today. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time for I'm a Whale Watcher.